We're here to talk about community-engaged design. Has anyone tried climbing up a sand dune? It's incredibly difficult, frustrating, at times hopeless. It takes persistence and commitment and engaging with your context to get to the top. So how does this relate to community-engaged design? Merriam-Webster defines engagement as an emotional involvement or commitment. So this sand dune example is to tie in this commitment level from the community into investing in their design environment. If citizens were invested in their design environment, the cities we have today wouldn't be so developer-driven. This all sounds great, but then why isn't community-engaged design more widely implemented? There's a couple reasons. One is globalization has done wonders for modern society, but it's also come with a lot of drawbacks. With this, cross-cultural awareness and sense of global civics also comes a huge level of wealth disparity, social injustice, and exploitation, especially in third world countries and lower income neighborhoods. It essentially is isolated to the economically disadvantaged, and those people who are already disadvantaged are now more so and at the mercy of these developers. They already felt like they didn't have a voice and they weren't qualified to advise designers, architects, city planners on these sorts of things, but their attitudes and their experiences and their input is incredibly valuable, and giving them that platform and letting them know that their input is valuable and will be well received and that they are an important voice in the community will go an incredibly long way to creating places that communities actually can emotionally invest in. It's really inherent to the functionality of these spaces that the community does value them and does feel like their input was well received, and that these spaces and amenities and homes really do cater to them and their families and their community. So we talked about how important it is to get the community involved and talking in the design process, but what specifically can designers do? What is their role in this community-engaged design process? This is what we're trained to do, is to reach out and learn more about the clients and connect these disparate pieces and invest those back into a project. So we're looking at using our traditional training to teach people how to collaborate and iterate and advocate as a group, as an organized system. And we have to set precedent where we go out and offer our services. The foundation for this work has already been done. We just have to keep furthering the movement and helping the communities.